In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a draft order using Shopify's Help Center. Creating draft orders can be very useful for various reasons, such as when you're taking orders over the phone or fulfilling custom orders that aren't available in your typical online store listings. Draft orders are essentially unconfirmed orders that allow you to customize product selection, pricing, and customer information before finalizing everything. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the left panel of your Shopify admin dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of options, each representing a different aspect of your store management. Look for the Orders option in that list and click on it. This is the central hub where all transaction-related actions are managed, whether they're finalized orders or drafts like what we're about to create. After you've clicked on Orders, direct your attention to the top of the Orders page, where you'll find a tab labeled Drafts. Click on Drafts, which will take you to a new page specifically designated for all your draft orders. This is a clean slate where you can gather and review all incomplete orders that you're working on or staging. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this page, as it will be a useful view when managing multiple draft orders in the future. Now, to create a new draft order, locate the button labeled Create Draft Order and click on it. This opens up a new form with a range of options to fill in, providing you with the flexibility to input tailored details regarding your order. Begin by specifying the products you intend to include in this order. Shopify offers an intuitive search and selection tool, which makes it easy to find and add products from your catalog. Sometimes, draft orders include custom products that aren't in your standard listings, and you can add those details manually. As you move along, consider adding any specific notes that pertain to this particular draft order. These notes might include special instructions, packaging details, or anything else pertinent to the order's customization. Remember, notes can be a great tool for clarifying specific requests or adjustments, especially if this draft order is for a repeat customer with customizable needs. Finally, fill in the customer information for this draft. Shopify gives you the option to select a customer from your existing list or create a new customer profile from scratch if necessary. With all the pertinent information inputted, your draft order is now ready. The beauty of draft orders is the flexibility they offer, allowing you to modify any detail until you're ready to push the order to the next stage. And that's all there is to creating a draft order in Shopify. With these steps, you can efficiently manage custom orders and ensure a seamless purchasing experience for your customers. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful.